Oh, here we are at the train station in Ostend, and we're gonna go ahead to see the lifts that are here. So, yeah, I'm walking and I'm not looking at the camera because I'm at the train station, obviously. And there are the lifts, so let's go see them. Because I almost have half an hour till our visit come. And no, this is not where I live. Though I stayed in a hotel here. Not step in. Oh wow, do not step. This platform is deserted, that's why I film here. My memory card from my tablet may be a bit dull and full, but anyways, we are coming to the lifts. Let's see the lifts. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lifts in total. Let's go see what the lifts look like and see if they work. Let's do it. The first lift here is a ThyssenKrupp. And let's go up to 1.
Neusluiten.
Oh, the tone.
Passerelle. Deur open.
Let's go to 0 back again.
Deur sluiten.
Doors closing.
Perron.
Sorry, there are Belgian viewers, but
Deur open.
let's now go up to
Deur
1.
sluiten.
Door closing, and let's look out the window. Oh, it's a crossway chassis,
Deur open.
I think. Let's go along to the other lifts here. Let's get along to this lift over here. Call it. See, counterweight has bricks in it. What the? Oh, it's a finished top. Doors opening. Look at the shaft. It's going
Deur
down.
sluiten.
My first train station lift review. Oh, they park on the bottom floor. Bam! Let's just
Deur open.
go back up.
Deur sluiten.
Door closing.
Passerelle.
Pass around.
Deur open.
What the heck? Whoa, that floor is wood. Didn't thought in the lifts that would be. Look at the train station from Ostend. That's the proof I'm in Ostend. I'm gonna upload this video a bit later on. When I upload this video, I'm not anymore in Ostend. Or am I? You're gonna see it. This has the most noisy fan I ever heard. And let's go up. Looked out the window. Let's look on here. Gotta go to toilet and I don't see a goddamn pork. A bit straight. Bit like this. Bit like it. Bit like this. Now let's go along to the other lifts. That lift I done, that lift I done, that lift I've done. Hello train, see on top of a Belgium train. 1, 2, 3, I've done those lifts. Let's go carry on to the fourth one. Oh, this has another call button. It's ThyssenKrupp also, but this has another call button. And it has other buttons on the inside as well. Very weird. Tang!
Deur sluiten.
Let's go down to 1. 2, 0.
Perron. Deur open.
Fairly good lifts. Carrying on up.
Deur sluiten.
Door closing. Left. Going up.
Pasrennen.
Restaurant.
Deur open.
Let's go carry on to this lift. This check if it works. Because look. Take a look at it from. Look at these motors. They are fairly efficient, the lifts. Doors opening. Let's go down to P.
Deur sluiten.
Does it go in the ground then? Wait, no touch. Shakiaraki.
Parking niveau 0. Deur open.
Now let's carry on. Going to
Deur sluiten.
Let's see. So it has 2 doors, this left, other doors didn't have 2. It's Greek slot.
Pasrennen.
There's another lift, I guess.
Deur open.
Yep. So this is a lift. And there is a lift. And there's also a lift. But it's a fire lift, I guess. Which is sad. Or we can go up. Let's go up to 3. I hope. We are on the secret floor. Let's go up, down to 0. Let's. Oh, it's get a bit high phrases. I if like it. Whoa, that's an efficient lift. Let's go up to 1. I gotta go wee for a radar. Da 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 da. All can be done open. All set fire up fire. We've gotta go to second floor. Whoa. I step out so quick as I don't know, just because. There's an exit also. Let's take that one. Let's see if it's an open one or no, it's marked lock. Oh, the lift goes from floor 3 all the way down to wherever that goes. Hey, porta potty right there. I guess you can say that. Let's go down.